Increased stress and anxiety level amongst the population. That's a headline we often see in our newspapers today. I'm here to discuss the importance of yoga on your mental health and overall well-being. When you're stressed or you feel like there's chaos in your life, a friend or family member will always reach out to you and say, "Hey, relax, catch your breath." These are very simple words, but it's a highly effective advice. When you inhale deeply into the diaphragm and release your breath smoothly, you're tapping into the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. The next time you feel stressed, catch your breath. Not only does this expand your respiratory system, but this also helps you to calm down. Just find a quiet spot, sit tall through your spine so there's nothing blocking your airways, and breathe deeply. Observe how you feel in the next few minutes. Practicing yoga every day does not only reduce stress and anxiety, but it has been proven that it sharpens your brain as well. Just like when you lift weights, your muscles get stronger, don't they? Similarly, when you perform yoga, your brain cells develop new connections, and these changes in your brain structure improve your cognitive skills, such as learning and memory. All kinds of pranayam are here to serve you, are here to benefit you, and help you reduce your stress. Today, I'm going to be taking you through 3 pranayams or breathing techniques that will leave you feeling calm and composed. The first one is Bhastrika or bellows breath. Not only does this pranayam technique help you tone the muscles around your abdomen area, but they help you feel energized and rejuvenated in your mind. To practice Bhastrika, you're going to come into a comfortable seat. You're going to inhale and exhale forcefully for about 30 counts. Pause, catch your breath, and repeat that 2 more times. So you can practice this for 30 breaths up to 3 counts. Coming to your second pranayam, Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. This practice is extremely beneficial if you're looking to just improve your patience and your focus. The brain, respiratory, and cardiovascular health is improved and maintained with regular practice. You can practice Anulom Vilom for about 3 to 4 times. Remember that completing it once on each side is one round. The very meaning of yoga, which comes from the word yuj, is the union of mind, body, and soul. All of us are dealing with stress at some level or the other, and yoga is for all of us. Now, whether you start with your asanas or your pranayams, the eventual goal of yoga is always to bring your mind, body, and your soul into one union. And we do this with the help of a wonderful tool that we're all blessed with, which is our breath. Our monkey mind is always jumping from one thought to another. The next time you feel stressed, take a few deep inhalations and exhalations by practicing these pranayam techniques, or roll out your mat and practice a few asanas that help you feel restored and rejuvenated. Even if you're feeling discomfort within, use your body as a tool to connect with your mind by practicing asanas. Another pranayam or breathing technique that I personally love is Vritti pranayam or equalized breathing. I like to place my left palm at my heart and right palm on my belly. From here, all you're going to do is inhale deeply and exhale out completely without retaining your breath. Just make sure that your inhalations and exhalations are equal in length. You can continue for about 10 breaths. Relax your posture and observe for yourself how you feel. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye.